Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Pudina cheese dosa. Ingredients for Pudina cheese dosa: little mint leaves, around 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese grated, half a lemon, 1 green chili, little ginger and required salt. This idli batter preparation I showed in idli recipe and dosa recipe. You can check that one for batter preparation, how you prepare the idli batter or dosa batter. We are going to grind the mint leaves along with 1 green chili and little ginger and required salt. So this quantity whatever I showed, it will do for 2 dosa. We are going to add the lemon juice with this. So we are going to grind this one again. We grinded the mint leaves. Check the salt. If required, you can add salt. Keep the tawa in flame. Just grease the tawa. The main preparation is the batter preparation. I will give the link in the description, so you can check there. Little oil on the sides and lick the dosa. Going to add the Pudina chutney. So you have to apply on the top surface. Then the grated cheese. So lick this one again. Going to open the lid. That's it. Pudina cheese dosa is ready to serve. Pudina cheese dosa from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.